Meet Nicole. Nicole used to manage her cleaning operation on experience and hope. She hoped she had enough cleaners for the job. She hoped she had enough consumables. She hoped she would make money. She hoped her budget wouldn't get cut. Now she uses the ISSA Workloading and Bidding Tool and the Consumable Calculator. With the Workloading and Bidding Tool, Nicole can develop a detailed plan to service a facility using ISSA-validated cleaning times and tasks. She enters in rooms to be cleaned, selects tasks to be completed, and provides a few operational costs. With a click of a button, Nicole can see how many employees she needs for the job and a recommended bid price if needed. Nicole can then make adjustments to see how slight changes in staffing, procedures, and costs will affect her overall budget. Once Nicole is satisfied with the information, she can then create a formalized proposal on what her team will do, how many people will be involved, and financial information. Another benefit Nicole finds value in is looking at how investments in new equipment and cleaning systems can pay for themselves by reducing labor and increasing profitability. Nicole's distributor, Stephen, also uses the Workloading and Bidding Tool. Stephen can put together ideas in the workloading system to assist Nicole and his other customers with making sound business decisions. It has helped them work together, strengthen their relationship, and increase both of their success. In addition to cleaning facilities, Nicole provides consumable items as part of her service. Before she used the Consumable Calculator, she was either overstocked on product, tying up financial resources, or worse, she was understocked and ran out of soap or paper products. If her customer was buying these items from her and wanted to know how much they would be spending a year, Nicole had no idea, which did not make the customer happy. Using the Consumable Calculator to estimate how much paper, hand soap, and liners a facility may use throughout the year and the potential cost has reduced these issues. All Nicole has to do is enter in the type of business, number of employees, and the price of the product. The calculator provides her with the number of cases used per year and the overall price, including a graph of the results. This has helped her improve her cash flow and increase her customer satisfaction. Stephen values this tool as it helps him help Nicole with her supply needs and helps him help his other customers with theirs. Stephen also has a better idea of his inventory needs as his business increases. Stephen and Nicole no longer hope for success. They use the ISSA Workloading and Bidding Tool and the Consumable Calculator. They achieve success.